Hello viewers, welcome to Garage Lab. Again, we will discuss about our new product, WP email crawler. Before that, let's have a glimpse of Garage Lab. This is the fastest growing WordPress plugin theme marketplace. You can get all your required softwares from Garage Lab, and you can buy it with any doubt. These are all our lowest price, secure, reliable. Their support team is always ready for you. So please always stay with Garage Lab and have trust on Garage Lab. Let's view the shop page. We will see our newly product WP email crawler. It's a auto scraper and real-time extractor of email addresses for any specific domain, and along with you will see other 20 products that are listed under the banner of Garage Lab. These are completely unique products, so you can easily buy it from Garage Lab. Let's go to the description of this product. You can purchase this product with this price, and after that you will use it without any hassle. So regarding the WP email crawler, it listed all its features here. You can set the crawl depth for any domain you want to search. So it is unlimited email and unlimited web address crawler, so you can get those email addresses and these will be your leads for the next opportunity, so you can use those leads for your upcoming businesses. Let's see the features. It stores all the collected images into the database, so you can get a statistics report for each of the emails that you searched for any specific domains. So it is the fastest and the lightweight email explorer solution for your specific need, and definitely you will use it for not spamming the users. Okay, so we have the disclaimer listed here that it should not be used for any kind of spamming intention. These email addresses are searched from the source code, so these are the real email addresses hidden under the source code. Okay, so you can trust on these email addresses, and these are actually valid email addresses that is written into the source code. So let's jump into a small demonstration of this plugin. This is a simple plugin that you need to activate from the plugin store, and after activating it, just you will see a left side navigation bar here. Let's go to the navigation section. You will see all the navigation listed here for this plugin, and first we need to add it, the email crawler, WP email crawler. Just add the give a name of this crawl, set the URLs. You need to specify the URLs. That could be, you must add the URLs HTTP or HTTPS, the scheme or protocol name. Okay, and you can search any kind of email addresses from here. Okay, and here is the depth, how many URL you want to scroll for this specific search. You can define 50, you can define 500. This is unlimited search. Okay, you can define 10 even. Okay, so these are the depth setting here. You can also set the note for your specific search. After doing the search, it will crawl. It will take some time as it search through the websites. It will search for all the web pages in a specific domain. Okay, it does not only search for the web page, it is just search all the web pages for a specific domain. After the search, you will get the name, the URL, the domain it search for, and the email addresses it get for this specific domain, and the depth you defined. It also defines the created and updated date. Okay, so you will get all the list up for this search. Okay, so it's a very helpful plugin, and it is a very strong marketing tool for your business, online business. Okay, online, offline, both kind of businesses. Okay, so we hope you will enjoy this plugin. So bye for now.